Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kristole Perkins. You may have heard of my business, Perkins Marketing, where I have my first $6,500 week dropshipping on Shopify. So in this video, I'm just going to cover exactly what is included in my eBay course, what is dropshipping on eBay, why so many people are making so much money so fast, and why I decided to go ahead and create my own course on dropshipping on eBay. So if you are familiar with my 6-Figure Mindset Planner, which is the book that I wrote back in August of 2018, because you know we are in 2019 now. The book that I wrote in August of 2018, I launched it for my 26th birthday. That was in celebration of my 26th birthday. I went ahead and dropped my own 20-chapter book. In that book, I believe it is chapter 12. Don't quote me on that, but I'm almost positive it's chapter 12. In that book, I actually do cover dropshipping on eBay. So if you did go ahead and purchase your 6-Figure Mindset Planner, make sure you turn to chapter 12 and you can go ahead and use that to start your online eBay business. So the eBay course takes about 30 to 35 minutes to complete. It is actually a 5-video course, and it includes going over creating your eBay account, your brand new eBay account, because you're not going to be using the eBay account that you had before. If you are selling, you know, personal items or anything like that, you don't want to use that eBay account. Make sure you keep that as your personal eBay account. This is going to be your dropshipping eBay account. We then go ahead and cover your email for your dropshipping business, and then we move on to your PayPal account, and then I cover posting your first 3 products. So then from there, I actually cover what can happen when you hit those seller limits. So you are going to have a seller's limit. You're not going to be able to just post $30,000 worth of products or $100,000 worth of products. You are going to start out with a seller limit because you are a new seller. There are limits that come with being a new seller, but this kind of business is an extra income. This is not meant to be your primary income. This is supposed to be an extra profit on the side. So with this business, you're going to go ahead and start posting your products on there, and then I show you what can happen when you run into different problems like seller's limit. You're going to want to call eBay. You're going to want to ask them to increase your seller's limit and ask them, can you post more products on eBay? They're not going to tell you no. They're going to tell you yes. So go ahead, give them a call. It's a quick call. It's really quick. Let them know you're a new seller. Let them know you hit your limit and you have more products that you want to sell on eBay. eBay wants you to use their platform. They want you to sell on their platform. Of course, they want more sales to go through. They want to be able to take their little percentage, you know, from your profit and your cut, and you know, they want to get their cut. They want to be the little middleman for you guys. So they're not going to tell you no. They're going to tell you yes. So go ahead and give them a call, get your seller's limit increased, and then start selling your products. If you run into things like your account being suspended, go ahead and call eBay. Get them to reactivate your account. They will do it for you. I know people who have had their account suspended multiple times. They call eBay, they reactivate it, and they get back to selling no problem. So there are things like running into your funds being held when you are a new seller. That is one of the top questions that I get. Are your funds going to be held because you're a new seller on PayPal? That's usually how it works for anybody. Even if you're not drop shipping, you do have to ship your product before you actually get your funds released. This is not always the case. This is the case 50% of the time, but it's not always the case. Sometimes they don't hold your funds, sometimes they do hold your funds. I haven't actually figured out why they do or why they don't. All I know is when you're a new seller, they're going to hold your funds 50% of the time, but I do have people who have made over $5,000 doing this, $3,000 doing this their first week, $1,000 their first day, $2,000 their first day. I'll make sure to leave a lot of reviews in here for you guys for people that have gotten a lot of sales with eBay. Once you go ahead and purchase your eBay course or the bestsellers bundle, which includes the eBay course, your 6-Figure Mindset Planner, and the marketing subscription from joinperkinsmarketing.com. So that's normally a $97 value, which you can get for $75. I'll make sure to leave the link for that below. Also with the bestsellers bundle, a lot of people are asking, is it the physical copy of the planner or the digital copy? And that's entirely up to you. So if you do pay for shipping, then you are shipped a hard copy. If you do not pay for shipping, you are emailed a digital copy. So that's how that would work out. So it's pretty much up to you. If you pay the $266 for shipping, then it's shipped to you. If you don't pay the $266 for shipping, it's emailed to you. After you purchase your bestsellers bundle or your eBay course, you're going to go ahead and get an account created automatically. You're going to receive an email from perkinsmarketing.com. You are then going to reset your password with that email and use it to log into the site. Go back to Join Perkins Marketing, but now you're going to click up at the top and click Access Your Course. So in the menu, click Access Your Course, go to the Premium Dashboard, and then go ahead and access the eBay course. You're going to log in with the email that you checked out with, and you're going to go ahead and reset that password so that you can log in. If you're not able to reset your password, make sure you write us on Perkins Marketing. Go on our Instagram, go on Perkins Marketing. That is where all your questions will be answered. That's where all customer service questions, all tech questions, all support questions, everything like that will be answered. So after that, you're going to go to Perkins Marketing on Facebook and join the Facebook group so that you can be introduced to everybody who is making money, and you can get help and support from everyone who has the same needs as you, and you can go ahead and start making money just like the rest of us. So that is pretty much what is included in the eBay course, and then I'm going to go ahead and leave some reviews all throughout this video. Of course, a lot of reviews, a lot of results, student success, everything like that. And now I actually have a few questions that you guys asked me on Instagram, and I'm going to go ahead and pull that up now. So someone asked, do I need money to start eBay dropshipping? And the answer is no. The only money you need is the $50 for the course. Once you get access to the course, you are added to the group and you are shown exactly how to go ahead and start dropshipping on eBay. You don't need any money to buy any products. You're going to be strictly dropshipping, so you'll be posting all the products on eBay, and then once the customer buys from you, you then buy the product from your vendor, and then you send it to your customer. So you use your customer's shipping address, but your own billing address. So someone asked with the bestsellers bundle, is it a digital copy or a physical copy of the planner? And it is up to you entirely. So when you check out, it's going to say no shipping required, digital copy, or it's going to say shipping, and then you pick what shipping you want. It ranges from $266 all the way up to $795 for express shipping. So it's entirely up to you. If you do pay for shipping, it is a physical copy. If you don't pay for shipping, then it is a digital copy. Someone asked, what are the best items to sell and how do you detect scammers? So the way to detect scammers is never take any payments outside of PayPal or eBay. If someone tells you to text them, or someone tells you to email them, or send the money to this email, or they sent the money but you don't see the money in your PayPal, that's entirely a scam. Do not accept this. Only accept payments through eBay. So accept offers through eBay and make sure they are paying you via PayPal and it's in your PayPal balance and you are using that money to fulfill your order. And the best products to sell are anything that are like gifts, Christmas related. Valentine's Day is coming up, so anything that like necklaces, teddy bears, candles, anything kid related like Paw Patrol, a Nintendo Switch, anything like that. Those are really good ones. An air fryer, what's another one? AirPods, headphones, TVs, phone cases, phone chargers. Those are all really good ones. Another question was, what are some problems you may run into when selling on eBay? One problem you may run into is like getting your account suspended. All you have to do is call eBay and make sure that they reactivate your account. So it's a problem, but we all have the solutions for that problem, so it's okay. Don't worry about it. Another thing is your funds may be held. It doesn't always happen, but 50% of the time, if your funds are held, you need to front the funds. So if it costs $34 to fulfill, go ahead and pay for it and make the profit on the side, because you're gonna make money from it. You're making the money right back. Once the product is delivered, you go ahead and get the money released, and then you transfer it to your account. Once you have a few successful transactions, they don't hold the funds anymore. So you probably would end up fronting maybe $50 to around $100 before you actually start making profit, which is very low compared to Shopify and Facebook ads and things like that. How to stay optimistic when selling online and not making sales. So when you're selling online and you're not making any sales, the best way to stay optimistic is to just stay motivated and work every single day. Just realize that every day you wake up, today could be the day that everything changes. You never know what's going to happen today. So just keep that positive mindset and keep that in your mind, that you know that today could be the day that things change, and if it's not today, it could be tomorrow, it could be the day after that, and you never know when things are going to change. So just stay positive. I promise things are going to work out. Once you see that you are staying positive, you're staying focused, you're going to see slowly that things are starting to change. You're slowly starting to reach those accomplishments. You're slowly starting to knock those goals off your list. So just stay optimistic and stay positive. It's all a mind thing. Just whatever you think is what you're going to get. So if you have a positive mindset, you're going to get a positive return. You'll have a positive outlook, and everything will be okay. So guys, a lot of the questions had to do with like taxes and how do you file your taxes, and is this something that you claim on your taxes, or do you get a W-2 or a 1099? I cannot answer those questions for you by law. You would need to go ahead and talk to your accountant. But yes, I do claim all of the money that I am paid, and I do file my taxes at the end of the year, and I do pay my taxes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe. Turn on those notifications so that you are notified the next time that I post. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My personal page is Kristole Perkins. My brand page is Perkins Marketing. Make sure you thumbs up both of us on Facebook, Success by Kristole and Perkins Marketing. And make sure you comment eBay rocks below so that I know that you're watching all of my videos to the end, because I might do a giveaway soon. You never know. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one, and bye.